Good morning and welcome back to my workshop. And in today's video I'm going to show you 5 improvements I've made on the Axminster craft table saw model, let's have a look, AC216TS. Let's get started. Let's start on top. Improvement number 1. I replaced this aluminium insert with a plastic one. As you can see, the gap is very big and not ideal for finer work, especially making pen blanks and doing smaller work. And the easiest way to do that, I took a polyethylene cutting board, as you can see, from IKEA, once again, fits on there perfectly, did the cutout, traced all the holes, did the drilling and inserted it, and that made a massive difference. Let's move on to improvement number 2. This time I'm going to concentrate on the crosscut trolley arm. With this 900 crosscut arm, we're very limited for length. So what I went and did, I cut off about a 90mm piece, inserted a grooved piece of wood, put an adjustable clamp on it, and doubled the length I could crosscut. Easy to do, very effective, and it saves a lot of time. And let's move on to improvement number 3. This has to do with power and extraction and power to the extractor. I fixed a multi-plug that now gives me only one cord to fall over. Bit more organized, not a big improvement, but a very effective improvement. And let's move on to improvement number 4. Basic but a very effective improvement. A very convenient improvement. I fitted 2 brackets, call it a U bracket, for a very convenient accessory to hang my crosscut arm. It's always either on top of other machines or lying on top of this machine, and now it's out of the way and a lot safer. Basically all I did, drilled 4 holes, bent the bracket, painted it, put 2 spaces in and a padding so it doesn't scratch. And let's move on to the last improvement, and for that we go back to the top of the machine. It came with this, that means to insert, and this clamp. I had this old one from a different machine that was a lot more practical. With this one you still had to put a piece of wood on with wing nuts and so on and so on. So this one is a lot more practical and accurate, and it can be used on both sides. All you do is loosen those 2 clamps, move it over to the side. Not a major improvement, but a very important improvement. If you're doing small miters, this is a lot more accurate and a lot more sturdy, a lot more surface to work with. No wing nuts that can slide out, and you have to check all the time. I just found that this is much more effective. And there you go. I've covered all 5 improvements. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, any comments, let me have them in the comment section below. And then, last but not least, very important, give us a like. It helps the channel. And please subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And until the next time, enjoy your improvements and your workshop. Lekker, lekker.